We do not set conditions. Hindi po tayo yung nagsiset ng conditions sa Panginoon. Diba? Madalas, if I do this, it's from God. Kapag ginawa ko itong bagay na to, sa Panginoon to. Pero kapag di ko ito ginawa, hindi ito sa Panginoon. Hindi tayo yung nagbibigay ng checkbox sa Panginoon. Amen?
Amen.
Bagkus, si Lord pa rin ang kikilos sa ating buhay. That's why we trust and we submit to Him with all our ways. We do not move by confirmation. Kasi madalas we move by confirmation. Because moving by confirmation causes stagnancy and fear. Maaari na, kapag ka nag-move ka na by confirmation, Lord, dito na lang ako. Hindi na ako mag-move forward. Kasi ayaw kong guloy yung plano mo. So hindi po siya ganun nag-work. Whether you move forward or not, let us know that God will still work. Amen? And next, we don't determine whether it's from God or not. Hindi natin kailangang isipin kung galing ba sa Panginoon o hindi. Alam mo yung kailangan natin gawin? We move forward. Sabi mo sa katabi mo, we move forward. Hindi tayo pwede maging stagnant. Why? Because no matter what, ano man yung piliin mo, letter A, letter B, letter C, plan A, plan B, plan C, o kahit all of the above pa yan, no matter what, God will still work.
Amen.
Amen. Kahit saan ka pumunta, kahit dito ka sa daan na to, kahit dito ka sa daan na to, know that God will still work. You should trust and submit to Him. And next, because God is not limited to our choices. Naniniwala po ba tayo doon? Hindi siya limited sa mga choices ko. Na kapag dito lang ako, ito na yun. Lord, kailangan bumilos ka. Amen? Hindi po siya ganun nag-work. He will go with us and make our path straight wherever we go. Kung babalikan natin yung verse 6, sabi doon, in all your ways, submit to Him, and He will make your path straight. Ulitin ko po, in all your ways, sa lahat ng dadaanan mo, maaari, ways meaning we move forward, or we are moving forward, or we already move forward. Kahit saan ka dun sa tatlo na yun, kikilos ang Panginoon. In all our ways, we just need to submit to Him. And yung pinaka-favorite part ko, and He will make your path straight. Gaano man yung kaliko-liko yung dinaanan mo, God will make that straight. There might be detour, there might be roadblock or mga balakid as you go along the way. Kasi we move by our free will. Hindi naman po tayo nag-move na binigyan tayo ng Lord ng free will to move within our own decisions. And sa mga decision na ginagawa natin, God will work. Maaaring magkakaroon ng disappointment, maaaring magkakaroon ng roadblocks, pero trust and submit that the Lord will still work. Kahit saan ka nang dumaan. It's not a rejection, but it's rather than a redirection. Amen.